Hey everybody, I'm Kenny. This is Sagebrush Sold. Today we're going to learn a little bit about Buffalo Bill at the Buffalo Bill Center of the West. Once again, this is a bucket list thing for me. We're going to go in. I'm going to share some of it, but for a lot of it, I'm going to put the camera down, but I'll definitely tell you if it's worth going to. Buffalo Bill is a younger man. I think I did a wood burning at Buffalo Bill using that photo right there. It was him in 1872 when he was still a scout. There's some artifacts connected to Buffalo Bill. So this clock belonged to his mother, and they claim that that coin right there is one that Bill borrowed, and he would tossed it in the Mississippi River to teach his friends how to look for gold. And that's Buffalo Bill's video game right there. This is very cool. Got a bunch of Bill Hickok's guns here. This is a revolver and holster stuff. This one is not Buffalo Bill's, but he received a cavalry scabbard, very much like it. Get you where you can see that. Cool. That's a cool clay pigeon picture there. There's a pigeon, but they used to use colorful glass balls to.
So they have the shotgun, but it's in the gun museum now.
Oh, cool. Looking at their layout, that they would roll in and have to load out all that. I feel pretty good about just unloading one trailer tonight. This is a lot.
Especially a version you put your phone in and it'll show you like how they used to do it.
Oh, what?
It's really cool.
Amazing taxidermy here. That one right there had to have been tough to get a buffalo rolling like that. Buffalo Bill and his wife, Louisa Maud Frederick Cody Fredici. This is a hallway tree actually used in the Cody homes. North Platte, Nebraska, and in Cody. Before there were superheroes, there were cowboys. There's a special exhibit they got going on called Pop Goes the West. A little more contemporary spin on the Old West, like pink saddles. I don't know why it says don't touch, but I want to touch that so bad. I really do. I don't know. I think it's just acrylic, but that's pretty awesome. I found your girlfriend. I just want to make her mad. Got orange tips on her guns. I'm sure she's fine.
Yeah,
they must be fake.
We're not on the line of fire or anything.
No. See what you did there. Some really cool, unique art. I really like this one. It's got everything I like. Old trucks, campers, rifles in the gun rack. Painted in 1979, so wasn't all that vintage back then. All these guns with cutaways for prototyping and marketing. I like that. This basically shows you the gun from its inception. That one looks like you could probably concealed carry that one, Troy. That 7 feet long, 6.5.
Suburban.
Yeah, it would still fit in the Suburban. I mean, but it's gonna be kind of hard to draw. You'd probably knock them out with it if you tried to draw it on somebody getting at you.
I would have to.
Bayonet. Oh, it's a pistol. Oh yeah.
Don't tell me this
Sneaky.
fires.
That looks like a.
It fires the blade.
It says, does it? Oh, that's that. What does that say? It's a bayonet, plug bayonet. So you jam that down the barrel when you're out of bullets, and you can just But I mean, I guess if you absolutely had to, you could fire it out of there. Probably not going to be super accurate, but these blunderbuss are just that's so cool. Early guns. So we just got the call from Skylar. We've only got a little bit more time in here, but just gonna whiz through and show you all this cool stuff. But over 7,000 guns, world's largest gun exhibit here. Firearm exhibit. Well, I was just about to say, I'd like to find some historical, like actually owned stuff. And there it is, right there. Bob Munden, cowboy action shooter. One of the most famous Western style shooters, Bob Munden, known as the fastest man with a gun who ever lived. Oh wow. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. These are screen used guns from Longmire right there. Absaroka County. Absaroka is a mountain range, and it might be a town, but it is not a county in Wyoming, for you Longmire fans. These are fun. Freedom Arms. They make the Casull 454, which was and maybe is. I don't know if the Casull is still the biggest, but I think Freedom Arms still makes the biggest handgun. How do they not have a display of that here? Maybe I missed it. Bullet boards. Pure art right here. My brother collects these, but probably doesn't have any of that old. That is very cool. Eat your heart out, Tiny. He's not watching this. Very bright and shiny M14s. Guessing that's color guard stuff. Parade rifles. Nice. We're now in a machine shop where they make the big guns. Bullets. These lathes are crazy. Nice leather belt drive system going on here. If I could make my camera point up, I'd show you. Well, I just look right into the light. I'll get the GoPro out and get wider shots of these, but this is super cool. This vintage stuff, probably circa, doesn't have years. Crazy machines. Really worth it. I would love to tell you the whole story of how it all got started, but there's great books out there. There is the Google, you could do that, but just to show you some of the cool Buffalo Bill artifacts and somebody I've always looked up to, if you know what I mean. Very excited to be able to cross that one off the list, and I'll probably be back again. But I'll probably be back without a camera and just go read everything, do everything there is to do while Troy balances his camera. But yeah, definitely worth it. And so many cool things in there. But thank you so much for watching again. Check out Troy's video, Daily Monsters, for some killer monster truck action, and now getting into the vlog space. It's gonna be pretty cool. Also follow him on Instagram, and of course all of the Live a Little socials, Monster Truck Insanity Tour, to see a lot more of Troy's handiwork. And get the merch at insanitytour.com. But I don't know, we don't get, yeah, I do actually, I get a little bit of that, so
Fun with that.
yeah. And again, we'll try to get some channel merch up on there at some point in time. But thanks so much for watching. My name's Kenny, this is Sagebrush Show. May the best of your past be the worst of your future.